Question 6. Find the limits of the rational function. Limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 3 over x squared minus 9. Okay, so first method to solve the limits of the rational function using the substitution method. You substitute the value into the function and find the limits of the rational function. And the second method, factorize the denominator or factorize the numerator of the rational function and then evaluate the limits. And third method here, using the suitable conjugates of the rational function. Yeah. So using first method, find the limits of the x minus 3 over x squared minus 9. Okay, so using the first method, substitute 3 here into the function. Numerator 3 minus 3, so here equal to the 0. And denominator of the function 3 squared minus 3 here equal to the 0. Yeah. So this numerator equal to 0 and denominator here equal to 0. So no solution using a substitution method. Okay, so no solution here. Okay, and the second method using the factorize. Okay, so second method, so write down the limit x here approaches 3 of x minus 3 over x squared minus 9. So here you factorize the denominator of the rational function. X squared minus 9 here equals to the x plus 3 times x minus 3. Yeah. We have here x minus 3 and denominator here x minus 3. So here you cancel x minus 3 over x minus 3 here equals to 1. And limit as x approaches 3 of 1 over x plus 3. And substitute 3 here into the function. So 1 over 3 plus 3. And when you substitute the value of 3 into the function, no need to write the notation of the limits. Yeah. So 1 over 3 plus 3. And answer here, limit as x approaches 3 of fx equals to the 1 over 6. Okay, question 7. Find the limit as x approaches 2 of third x plus 3 minus 1 over x squared minus 7x minus 18. Okay, so first method using substitution. So you substitute negative 2 here into the rational function. So numerator here negative 2 plus 3 minus 1, so here equal to 0. And denominator of the function x squared minus 7x minus 18, so here equal to 0. Okay, so numerator here equal to 0 and denominator here equal to 0, and no solution using a first method. Okay, so you can try the second method, factorize, and the third method using the suitable conjugate to find the limits of the rational function. Okay, first write down the limit as x here approaches negative 2 of set x plus 3 minus 1 over x squared minus 7x minus 18. Yeah. First here you find the conjugates of the rational function. So here the third form, set x plus 3 minus 1. Okay, so you check the set x plus 3 minus 1 and find the conjugate of the rational function. So you just flip the sign between set x plus 3 and 1 here. Okay, so flip the sign from the negative sign to the positive sign. Yeah. Okay, so here conjugate of the rational function, you put the positive sign between set x plus 3 and 1. Yeah. So conjugate with the same terms but different sign at the middles. Okay, and multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugates of the rational function, set x plus 3 minus 1 times set x plus 3 plus 1, and denominator here times set x plus 3. Yeah, and first expand the numerator of the rational function, set x plus 3 times set x plus 3 here equals to the x plus 3. Set x plus 3 times 1, negative 1 times set x plus 3, and here negative 1 times 1. Yeah, so answer you here x plus 3 and minus 1. And factorize the denominator of the function, x plus 2 times x minus 9 times set x plus 3 plus 1. Okay, so x plus 3 minus 1, so here equals to the x plus 2, and denominator here x plus 2 times x minus 9 times set x plus 3 plus 1. So here numerator x plus 2 and denominator here x plus 2, so you cancel and equals 1. And limit as x approaches negative 2 of 1 over x minus 9 times set x plus 3 plus 1, and substitute negative 2 here into the function. So negative 2 minus 9 and times set negative 2 plus 3 plus 1, and answer here equals to the negative 1 over 22.